In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add demo account in TradingView. By the end, you'll have your practice account connected so you can learn the platform and test strategies without risking real money. All you need is a TradingView login and demo credentials from your broker. I'll use Fusion Markets as the example broker, but the process is similar for others that integrate with TradingView. Start by opening tradingview.com in your browser. On the home page, look for the top navigation bar and click Products. This expands TradingView's feature list so we can jump straight into the charting workspace where the broker connections live. Next, choose Supercharts. This opens the full featured chart window. Supercharts is where you'll do most of your analysis and, importantly for today, where you'll connect to a broker for live or demo trading. Once the chart loads, move to the bottom of the screen and select the Trading Panel tab. If it's collapsed, click to expand it. This panel is where TradingView lists all supported brokers and where you manage your connections. Click Show All Brokers to display the complete list. There are quite a few, so rather than scrolling, use the search bar that appears above the list. In the search bar, type Fusion Markets. When Fusion Markets appears in the results, click it to open its connection options. TradingView will show separate choices for live and demo environments. Choose Demo. This ensures you're connecting to a risk-free practice account. It's a common mistake to pick the live server by accident, so double-check you're on demo before proceeding. A login window will appear. Enter the username your broker provided for your demo account. Sometimes this is a numeric login or a specific ID, not your email. If you copied it from an email or portal, watch out for extra spaces that can cause errors. Now enter your password. Passwords are case sensitive, so match every letter and symbol exactly. If your broker supports or requires additional security, follow any prompts that appear. Click Connect. TradingView will authenticate your credentials and establish the connection. In a few moments, you should see a confirmation in the trading panel showing you're connected to Fusion Markets Demo. If you encounter an error, verify that you selected Demo, recheck the username and password, and try again. If the issue persists, your broker support can confirm the correct server and credentials. That's it. Your TradingView workspace is now linked to a demo account, so you can practice directly on the chart with real-time data. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring the platform safely while you build confidence.